What's going on, GH Crypto fam? This is Glenn or GH Crypto here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about Saitama. We're going to be talking about what is going on with Saitama, what is this FUD situation with Saitama, and what is the potential for Saitama in the future. And to get into the video, guys, before we get in, I want to say if you guys enjoy watching my videos and don't want to miss out on any updates, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the bell of notifications. So looking at Saitama, guys, we have 254,000 holders at the moment at when I'm recording this at 6:30 on November 22. And this is great. You know, people are still holding on to their tokens in Saitama. And this is absolutely beautiful to see right now. And I'm one of those holders, and I am going to be strong. You know, I am not selling any tokens of mine. I really, truly believe in this project, and I do see a lot of growth in the future, near future, far future, so many things, guys, and we're going to get into it in this video. I just want to talk about the price real quick. Yes, we just had a huge dump, you know, over the past week and a half, 2 weeks, and it's just been kind of crazy ride here. So here back in June, we really rallied up in the beginnings of October. That's where Saitama really started taking off, and towards the end of October or mid, and we really hit the price really high towards the Saitamask event. This is the time when Saitamask was supposed to be revealed, was supposed to be open for the public, and sadly it wasn't. And that is one of the reasons why this correction happened. And another reason is just because, people essentially, they buy the rumor and sell the news, and that's basically what happened with Saitama. And we're just in a correction phase. We're just in a FUD phase, a FUD season, if you want to call it. And guys, this is normal for every crypto. I want to talk about what Willie D here. He's a Saitama holder. He's part of the creation of Saitama, and he mentions in this tweet here. He says, "No coin in the history of crypto has went to the top and made millionaires without large dips, fluctuating prices, and nervous investors." For example, just looking back at Bitcoin, Bitcoin started off with I don't even know what its starting price was, but I know it was cheap. I remember my friend talking about it, that he regretted not investing in Bitcoin when it was worth $10. 10 years later, Bitcoin is almost at $100,000. And that's crazy, And Bitcoin had a lot of corrections along the way, And that's the same thing that's happening. That's the same thing that happened with Shiba, for example. Talk about Shiba Inu. It just skyrocketed in the month of October. The whole month of October, or almost the whole month, Shiba was doing really good. It was just pumping hard. But guys, nothing pumps forever. There always will be corrections. And even though Shiba Inu is in a correction phase, we're not seeing the prices that we saw before it pumped up crazy. So that is how it works. And that's exactly what we're seeing with Saitama here. It pumped like crazy, and as of right now, and I hope it doesn't go down, but we have not gone back down to these lower prices here. And I honestly don't think we will. I don't think we're ever going to see these prices ever again. Now, I could be wrong. I really hope I'm not. Guys, remember, this is not financial advice. This video is only for entertainment purposes only. And I want to talk about another tweet that we got from Silent Saitama Bob. And he says, if they are Saitama, so basically he's just saying Saitama is a legal registered LLC, which is a business in the United States. This is why I have faith in Saitama. It's because they literally registered Saitama as a business, and that is great for Saitama. It allows people to have a lot more faith, trust. There's a lot more transparency with Saitama. I'm looking at the long term of things, and that's what I want you guys to do too. Don't just look at the short term. Yes, the prices are down. Yes, the FUD is coming in and hitting hard Saitama, but that's happened with every coin. Well, not every coin, but a lot of cryptos in the past, and Bitcoin is one of those. I'm not saying Saitama is the next Bitcoin. I'm just giving you guys a reference here, something to compare, I guess. It's just to see other side, and Bitcoin is went up, but it's also been corrected many times, and the FUD has hit hard, especially in the year of 2021 during the May to July phase. That was like the bearish phase for Bitcoin, and many coins fell down also because essentially Bitcoin is the leading coin in this crypto market. What Bitcoin does, usually other coins do, but not always the case. For some reason, something tells me that that's going to change in the future. Like, coins won't be following Bitcoin in the future, I believe. And yes, it went through a bearish phase, and then it broke out again and it went above, of what it hit. I believe in May it hit like an all-time high around 64K, and then in recent time it almost went to 70K. It broke its past all-time high, and that's what's happening. That's what's gonna happen with Saitama. Is it gonna happen tomorrow? Probably not. Is it gonna happen by the end of the year? I don't know. I honestly can't tell you guys. Is it gonna happen eventually? I truly believe so. And I also just want to talk about Saitamask. You know, Saitama guys, they are making their own exchange. They're one shop for everything. Where you can, create and trade NFTs, a place where you can invest, and a place where this is going to be a huge exchange. I truly believe Saitamask is going to have billions upon billions upon billions of dollars in volume. Honestly, Saitamask, I don't know if it's going to surpass Binance, but it's definitely going to be one of the top exchanges. At least I believe it will be. And, Saitamask is going to revolutionize many coins that are very new into the crypto world. Because in the crypto world, when you're a new coin, this is what they're saying here. When you're a new coin, it's hard to get up there. It's hard to build a community around a coin because you can't be listed on exchanges. You have to be listed on decentralized exchanges instead of centralized exchanges. You have to build a community first. You need to have a certain amount of holders. For example, for Coinbase, you need 150,000 holders. For Binance, you need a minimum of 200,000 holders to be listed on those exchanges. But these are the top exchanges, And Saitamask is going to be one of those places that's going to bring these small beginning coins and give them the opportunity. So, this is why I have so much faith in Saitama. We got to look at the long picture of things. And guys, that is the video for today that I want to talk about Saitama. Don't just look at the FUD. Have faith. Just hold this wave. Every crypto, or almost every crypto, goes through the phase like this. There's always going to be ups. There's always going to be downs. And if you can't handle the volatility that cryptocurrency brings, because there is a lot of volatility in cryptocurrency, that is just how crypto works. Maybe stocks is for you, because stocks, the volatility is a lot less. You make less money in stocks, but if you're one of those people who just want to have a smoother ride, less stress, maybe stocks is for you. But crypto, guys, crypto is where you can make a lot of money. But yes, you may not make that money in a 2-month time period. This is a long-term investment. Every coin that I invest, every token that I invest, I'm looking at the long term of things. And Saitama is looking very bullish, especially next year, the years to come. There's so many projects coming out. There's so many things that are coming out for Saitama. We are literally just in the beginning. I know I say that a lot, but we are. This is just the beginning of Saitama. So things will go up from here. We just got to fight and hold. And don't give up. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications if you guys enjoy my videos and don't want to miss out on any video that I post. See you guys on the next one. Peace.